Welcome to Protea Academy, education for your business to help you be successful. My name is Zane Stevens. I'm the founder of Protea Financial. Here's a piece of advice that you really need as a business owner, and that is hire a bookkeeper. Now, that might seem a little rich coming from me because, hey, I'm an accountant, I'm a bookkeeper, and maybe you think I'm trying to sell you services. I am a little bit. But I promise you, getting a bookkeeper will make all the difference in your life. A bookkeeper takes away pressure in your life to help you focus in on the things that are most important to you. Accounting should be important to you. Your financial results should be important to you. And I hope you are reviewing them. But what shouldn't be important to you is the desire to want to do all your accounting by yourself. Even if you are an accountant, if you're running a business, doing your own accounting is not a good use of your time. If you're running a business, you have a lot of other responsibilities. Selling services, executing those services, maybe managing a team, figuring out contracts. And that doesn't even take into account all the things in your personal life that are very important as well. Friends, family, your health. Accounting shouldn't be on that list. And accounting is a task that is critical to the outcome of your business because it gives you the roadmap of what happened and where we go. But you don't need to micromanage and do the process yourself. This is a place where you should hire professionals to come in and assist you so that you do not have to worry about it. What you need to worry about is making sure you give the accountant the information they need to do their job, to deliver you financial information on a timely basis. Once you get that information, it is critical that you review that information, ask questions if you're not certain, and then use that information to make decisions about your future. You as a business owner, you're not doing the accounting. You're providing information, you're reviewing, asking questions, and making decisions about your future. You do not have to be worried about recording the historical information. What you need to do is worry about running your business in the most successful way, using that financial information to guide you. As a business owner, you have a ton of responsibility, and accounting should not be one of them. Go ahead and hire yourself a great accountant today, and your life will get easier. That pressure of trying to do your own accounting will disappear, free up time to do things that are value-adding to your business and critical to your success. Leave the accounting to the professionals. They will get it done. It will make your life easier, and you will free up time to be successful. If you do hire an accountant, though, I want to point out one important facet. An accountant is only as good as the information you provide them. I am consistently talking about great communication in the accounting industry and how us as accountants need to communicate clearly, effectively, and timelessly for our clients to have the most success. But this does go both directions. And it is very, very important for you as a business owner to make sure that you are communicating with your accountant on a regular basis, because they will not know what's going on in your business unless you tell them. Same way as any other team member in your business. They don't know what's going on unless you inform them. There are some simple documentation that you can provide your accountant to make it a lot clearer on what is going on in your business. If you can provide them with this information, you'll make their job a lot easier. They'll get you information on a timely basis, and you'll have numbers in hand to make those critical decisions. Some of the information that you're looking for is all your receipts. If you're using a company credit card, make sure you get backup. They need it to make sure it's allocated in the correct place, as well as to provide the information as backup if the IRS come knocking. All your bills and invoices, send them those bills from your vendors. They can get it into the system. Not only does it create an accurate set of accrual books, but also gives insight into what the future cash flows of your business are. Make sure that your accountant is getting information to be able to do invoicing on time. Or if you're invoicing outside of your accounting software, make sure to send them copies so that they can get that into your accounting software to know clearly what your revenue is and assist with follow-up and collections. If you're doing any sort of banking, make sure they're getting copies of that banking. Deposit slips, cancel checks, they can connect that to your accounting software. Transactions can come in automatically, and it'll make the process a lot more efficient and give them guidance on what questions to ask you. The more information you give them in the banking, the easier it is for them. Less questions, quicker process time, get that information to you, you can make some good decision. Feel free to share as much information as possible about your business with your accountant. If there's a big contract coming up or a big bill coming up, let them know in advance so they can schedule and plan for it. Make sure they're looking out for it because maybe there's an important deadline. Share with your accountant what is happening so that they can plan for it, help you remember it, and make sure it gets recorded in the accounting information at the right period of time so that you have accurate financial information. If they're helping you with payroll, if you're using a third-party payroll provider, either way, share payroll information with them. You need the payroll information to complete the picture of your financial story, and the more detail they have, the more they can allocate it into the correct accounts so that you can assess different departments in your business, different classes in your business, or different class of employee. Payroll information is critical because for most businesses, it is their biggest expense. People, followed by benefits, then everything else. Get that payroll information over to your accountant. If you're working with a separate tax provider, make sure you're getting that tax request as well as final tax documents over to your accountant. They need to reconcile their information to the tax accountant's information and make necessary adjustments so that we're all singing from the same hymn book. Get all tax information over to your accountant or bookkeeper on a regular basis so that everybody has the same information and there's no costly exercise of reconciling at year end. These are just a few things that can help your accountant do a better job. As a business owner, it is important for you to communicate with your accountant, stay organized, and provide them the information to do the best possible job they can. A good communication relationship with your accountant will lead to good quality information on a timely basis, which will allow you to make business decisions. Go hire that accountant today, take that burden off your plate, and go be successful in your endeavor.